Are you ready to break free from all the barriers that have been holding you back? I'm talking about manifesting your wildest desires, whether it's that dream business, swimming in a sea of money, or anything your heart truly desires. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets, the hidden gems, and the powerhouse method that is the law of attraction. What if I told you that you could attract anything you desire in life, whether it's wealth, good health, that job promotion, or that dream vacation you've been fantasizing about? What if I told you it's not as complicated as it may seem? I know some of you might be skeptical. You're probably thinking, attracting wealth and success can't be that simple, can it? Well, hold on to your hat, because I'm about to drop some truth bombs that will leave you in awe. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back. I'm thrilled to have you here today. This video is a culmination of years of research, personal experience, and a burning desire to help you manifest your dreams. I've walked the path you're on, doubting, working hard, and wondering when my ship would finally come in. But let me assure you, after watching this video, you'll never look at money and success the same way again. Have you ever felt like life is holding you back? That your dreams and ambitions are just out of reach? I've been there, doubting, working tirelessly, and wondering when my ship would finally come in. But today, I'm here to tell you that you hold the power to change it all. Over the past few years, I've put these techniques into action, and the results have been nothing short of extraordinary. It's time to unveil the secrets, the hidden gems, and the powerhouse method that is the law of attraction. Now let's dive into a comprehensive step-by-step guide to manifesting anything you want in life. The human mind is the most powerful tool in the entire universe, a magnificent mechanism capable of creating worlds. When you master the art of harnessing and directing your mind's energy, you unleash a game changer. As Deepak Chopra, a renowned figure in the world of personal development, puts it, mastering these steps will turbocharge your manifesting abilities. You'll manifest like a pro, and the results will astound you, happening faster and more profoundly than you ever thought possible. The fundamental question arises: how can such a seemingly simple technique work for everyone, regardless of their desires or circumstances? The answer is astonishingly straightforward. These techniques are not bound by specifics. They're universal and applicable to all. What often holds people back is not having a clear understanding of each critical step in the process of manifestation and co-creation with the universe. You're not just a passenger in this journey called life. You're a co-creator of your own destiny. Everything around you right now is a direct result of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, whether you're consciously aware of it or not. The era of passive manifesting is behind us. Today is the day you take charge. It's the moment to create the reality you desire, a reality where you're not merely successful, but exuberantly happy and enveloped by abundance. But the question remains: how can you identify the right path for yourself in this vast universe of possibilities? The process begins by being specific. It's about digging deep into your heart and asking, what do I genuinely, truly want? This isn't about overthinking or trying to fit a mold. It's about letting your heart speak its truth. What you desire should resonate with your highest good, bring joy to your soul, and align with your most authentic self. Once you've unearthed your deepest desires, the next step is to choose them wisely. This isn't just about wanting. It's about believing. You must believe, deep down, that you are worthy of your desires and that the universe will conspire to bring them to you. By doing this, you become a magnet, pulling your deepest desires toward you, eliminating the need to chase them endlessly. Now, here's the twist: detach from the outcome. It's a magical shift in perspective. Instead of trying to micromanage how your desires will manifest, you surrender control. You allow the universe to work its wonders, all while you maintain unwavering faith that everything is aligning perfectly. It's like hitting the refresh button on your life, eliminating the need for repetitive reruns. Gratitude and patience will be your closest companions on this journey. Trust in the universe's divine timing and use present tense affirmations. Leave behind the please and pretty please vibes, for you are already in the process of receiving your desires. Express gratitude for what you've manifested so far and for all that's still on its way through the cosmic conveyor belt. Indeed, the power of your intuition is a force to be reckoned with on this journey of manifesting your desires. It's the compass that guides you through the intricate tapestry of life, and it often serves as a direct line to the cosmos. Your gut feelings, those subtle nudges, the inner knowing that you sometimes overlook in favor of logical analysis, these are the whispers of the universe. They speak to you in the secret language of your soul, offering insights and guidance that often go unnoticed in the clamor of everyday life. It's crucial to recognize the importance of your intuition in this process. It's your faithful companion, ever eager to lead you down the right path. When you learn to trust your intuition over relentless overthinking, you begin to align your decisions with the universe's grand plan for you. In a world that often values rationality above all else, honoring your intuition can be a game changer. It's like tuning in to a higher frequency, allowing you to receive and interpret messages from the universe. It's as if you're listening to a symphony of guidance where every note is in harmony with your highest good. When you pay respect to the universe by acknowledging your intuition, you create a sacred dialogue between yourself and the cosmos. You signal that you're ready to co-create, to be an active participant in your destiny. So, let your heart speak and listen to your intuition. Trust it as you would a wise friend who's always looking out for your best interests. When you do, you'll find that your choices become more aligned with the universe's grand plan for you. You'll experience a sense of flow and ease that can only come from being in sync with the cosmic dance of life. In the end, remember that this journey is a two-way street. You are not alone in this co-creation. The universe is your partner, your collaborator, and your source of boundless wisdom. Trust it, respect it, and listen to your intuition, and you'll find that the universe's grand plan is nothing short of magical. So, here's to unleashing the power of the universe within you. If this message has resonated with you, if you felt the stirrings of a profound shift within, please hit that thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Together, we can spread the wisdom of the cosmos and co-create a world filled with abundance, success, and boundless happiness. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey, and remember, the universe has your back. Until next time, keep manifesting your dreams, and may your life be a testament to the wondrous potential within us all.